believe I can do this. I can do this. What? Hacking. Aimbot. Good. Relax. I have a lightsaber. Something coming from here. You can't put me. Poor people. Don't know what they're doing. Don't know if to jump down or to. Yeah, that's sad. Sad. Let me show my skills with quickscope. I'm a better quickscoper than them. Oh, what? That's not. Oh, oh, he's dead. Oh, oh. Where's the teammate? Here's my deagle. Quickscoping with a deagle. I can do this. Quickscoping's are real. I can quickscope. No. Match it. He's not. No, I have to reload. Frick. Oh. You're on my feet. Oh. Found out I'm not on the same. M9. M9s are snipers. I believe I can do this. I believe I can do this. I'll make 3 kills with my thing, and this video ends. After 3 kills, this video ends. You got that? Hey, if I can. Bullets whizzing. AFK. How dare he? These guys are trying to jump down and no scope. They're like pros. I follow this guy because he looks like a pro. True game. Oh, so that's. That's him from underneath. That is not a dead alive person. That's not a live person. He's alive. Okay. Yeah. This again. But he has the same idea too. I think they realize we're shooting from underneath them. Yep, they realize. X9. Ah, fuck. Two of us? It's a cool looking sniper. What? 9 times. They got 2 kills. No, I didn't get any kills. I got 1 kill. I need to get 2 more kills in this video ends. I believe I can do this. I believe I can do this. Yes, 1 kill. Yes. Dead. 2 kills, 3 kills. This video ends. I'm kidding, I'm not gonna do the video. I get 5 kills. I can do this. No! Dang it. Only they had aimbot in this game. Wait, do they have aimbot? They do.